Smartwatches are a great complement to your smartphone or your lifestyle in general. They help you keep track of your schedule, see who just sent you a message, even provide valuable health information. But with all the options available, it can seem difficult to find the right one. Thankfully, it's not as bad as you might think. In this video, we'll be discussing what to consider when making your choice. If you want to keep things as simple as possible, just follow this rule. If you have an iPhone, go with an Apple Watch. If you have a Samsung phone, go with a Galaxy Watch. And if you have a Google phone, go with the Pixel Watch. But those aren't your only choices. If you decide to venture down another path, here are some other things to consider. First and foremost is compatibility. Not every watch works with every phone, so make sure the watch you choose will work with your phone's operating system. The two most popular are Apple's iOS and Google's Android OS. Next, consider how you're going to be using the watch. Is it for checking incoming messages, helping you get fit for the new year, for controlling things around your home through apps, or a combination of all that? Some watches are better than others at performing certain tasks, so you want to be sure to choose an option that satisfies most, if not all, of your needs. For example, if your plan is to get healthy, look for a model that has features like GPS to track your runs, an O2 sensor to check your blood oxygen levels, or even an ECG sensor to track your heart health. Then you have the battery life. A fully loaded smartwatch with GPS, cell service, apps, a color screen, music, and more will likely need to be charged every day. If that's not what you're looking for, you'll need to be selective about which features you're willing to sacrifice. The fewer features, generally speaking, the better the battery life is going to be. This is where fitness trackers, which are, loosely speaking, a form of smartwatch, can come in handy. These can often handle several useful tasks while still giving you a week of battery life. If you want to learn more, be sure to watch our fitness tracker guide as well. App selection is another factor to consider. If you have a smart home, for example, you'll want to choose a watch that has the necessary apps to control the different smart items around your house. If you have a particular brand of smart lighting in your home, be sure the watch you choose has that app available. It's good to make a list of all the smart products you use on a daily basis and match that up to the watch you're interested in. Another feature that may not be the first thing you think of when shopping for a smartwatch is band selection. Smartwatch designs often follow function over form, so they may not be as classy looking as a standard wristwatch. But having the ability to change your watch band means it can look just as good at the gym as it does at a fancy restaurant. Finally is the cost. Smartwatches are available at a wide range of prices. Be sure the one you choose not only fits your needs, but also your budget. If you need help finding the right smartwatch for your needs, the experts at Apt are here to help 7 days a week. We can be reached by phone, email, and online chat. Or, if you live in the Chicagoland area, stop by our store and try them out in person. Thanks for watching.